Hi, today I'm going to talk about purchase journal and sales journal. Okay, first, a purchase journal is a subsidiary level journal in which is stored information about purchasing transaction. This journal is most commonly found in a manual accounting system where it is necessary to keep high volume purchasing transaction from overwhelming the general ledger. Okay, simply, a purchase journal can be defined as the main entry book which is used to record credit transaction, credit purchase for a resellable purpose. Okay, the source document which used as an evidence is recording transaction into purchase journal is purchase invoice. Okay, sales journal. Sales journal is a specialized accounting journal, and it is also a prime entry book used in an accounting system to keep track of the sales of items that customers debtor. A purchase on account by charging a receivable on the debit side of an account's receivable account and crediting revenue on the credit side. Sales journal is used to record all of the company sales on credit. Most often, these sales are made up of inventory sales or other merchandise sales. Notice that only credit sales of inventory and merchandise items are recorded in the sales journal.
My name is Nitya Lakshmi. Today I am going to explain about the features and the functions of the written inward journal and written outward journal. The features of written inward journal records are made in chronological order with the name of customer and the number of goods of customer has returned. The, the features of written inward journals records the transaction made when the goods are returned. The seller prepares this journal by using the outgoing debit note. When the buyer complains about the discrepancy in the goods, the seller prepares debit note and send it to him. The example of return inwards is returning excess good quantity received by the buyers. Next, I am going to explain about return outward journal. This book records the goods returned to suppliers. It, it is also called a purchase return day or outward book. Good returns affects the company's total purchases or accounts payable. Return outwards reduce business payable for suppliers and business expenses. The function of return outward is a purchase return journal is a prime entry book or a day book that used to record purchase returns. In other words, it is the journal is used to record the goods that are returned to the suppliers. The example of return outward journal is merchandise, which is returned to suppliers is known as return outward. If merchandise purchase are not received according to specification or if they are defective, the buyers can return them to the seller or ask the seller for an allowance.
Hi everyone, my name is Nanishwari and I am from class DRM1. Today I like to share some information about cash receipt journal and cash payment journal. Cash receipt journal. Cash receipt journal is used to record all the transactions that receipt of cash. This includes receipts from customers, debtors and other sources. Cash receipt journal consider as a separate part from cash account or cash book as it recorded the cash inflow of the business. The source document of this prime book entry is receipt. For example, when a retailer or wholesaler selling goods to a customer, and collect cash, this transaction can recorded in the cash receipt journal. Secondly, cash payment journal. Cash payment journal is used to record all the transactions are paid in form of cash. Cash payment can include paying to a creditor, commission fees, making an interest payment, or withdrawing cash. Is it if is any payment using made of cash, it can recorded in the cash payment journal. For example, payment to creditors like cash purchase of merchandise, supply equipments, or any other assets. Moreover, cash purchase for expenses such as rent, salaries, insurance, and taxes. All these can recorded in the cash payment journal. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Kalimani Manelson and I am going to present about General Journal. A General Journal is a day book or subsidiary journal which is transactions relating to adjustment, entries, opening stock, depreciation, accounting errors, and etc. A general journal is the first place where the data is recorded, and every page in the item features dividing columns for days, serial numbers, as well as debits or credits records. The features of general journals is date. The date is very important, and debit and credit. General journal is recorded with both a debit and credit entry, ensuring that the company's accounts balance. The functions of general journal is the general journal records all type of financial transaction including purchases, sales, expenses, and payments, providing a complete and accurate record of a company's financial activities. That's it. Thank you.